Outdoor living spaces expanding your lifestyle. Picture this. You step outside into a beautifully designed space with cozy seating, twinkling string lights, and maybe even a fire pit crackling in the background. Feels like the perfect escape, doesn't it? That's exactly why outdoor living spaces are a top feature buyers are falling in love with. These areas are more than just a backyard. They're an extension of your home and your lifestyle. What makes an outdoor space so appealing is its versatility. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, enjoying a peaceful morning coffee, or setting up a movie night under the stars, it's your personal oasis. Buyers crave these spaces because they offer a chance to relax and recharge without ever leaving home. Add in a deck, pergola, or a covered patio, and you've got a year-round retreat that's both functional and stylish. The best part? These spaces don't have to be over the top to make an impact. Sometimes it's the little things that matter, a seating area with comfortable cushions, some lush greenery for privacy, or even a small water feature to add a soothing vibe. Buyers love spaces that feel inviting and low maintenance, where they can imagine themselves unwinding or entertaining with ease. Ultimately, outdoor living spaces are about enhancing the way you live. They give you room to breathe, relax, and connect with nature while adding serious charm to any home. So whether you're planning your dream space or shopping for a home that already has one, it's clear that the magic of outdoor living is here to stay.